Hey, welcome back to my channel. TEKTON 3/8" drive Crowfoot wrench set. TEKTON Crowfoot wrenches are ultra-compact open-end wrenches made to fit into tight spaces where other tools can't reach. They're optimized for both access and strength by using steel only where it matters and eliminating excess. Size markings and item numbers are engraved on each wrench for easy identification. Made in USA with 4140 chromium molybdenum steel. Storage racks included. Includes 30 PC. Crowfoot wrenches 5/16, 11/32, 3/8, 7/16, 1/2, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, 3/4, 13/16, 7/8, 15/16, 1 inch, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 millimeters storage racks. Ultra compact, made to fit into tight spaces where other tools can't reach. Lean design is optimized for both strength and access by using steel only where it matters and eliminating the excess. Engraved size markings and item numbers for easy identification. Detent holes offer maximum retention for situations when you can't risk the wrench coming off. Made in USA with 4140 chromium molybdenum steel. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.